Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jojo for those who are new, and welcome to day 3 of the DIY Christmas decorations. So today we are going to be doing the 3D star topper, the one that you put on top of your Christmas tree. So you find that most of them are quite pricey, and you can do this the DIY version for cheap, and it will cost you less than 200 Kenya shillings. So if you'd like to see how I did the 3D star topper, keep on watching. So for this project, what you'll need is your cardstock paper. It should be a square, any dimensions that you want. So this is a 20 by 20 centimeter, and then you'll need a pair of scissors. So optional items are glue, your wood glue, and also glitters, because you find most of the toppers are usually gold. So let's get started. So the first thing that you'll do is you'll fold your paper in half. Make sure you reinforce this fold. You can also use your pair of scissors and reinforce it. Next, you're going to take this corner and fold it on this other side. I chose to use the cardstock. These are the papers that I use to make wedding cards, because for one, it's hard and it will be sturdy. So after you folded, you will unfold, and then you take this other part. This is the one that has a flap. You take it and you do the same thing. After you are done, you will unfold it and you'll mark the center where there's an X. So this point is where you'll take this other part and bring it over. So this corner should be where the two lines intersect. But don't be worried, you're not supposed to match this side. So the only thing you're supposed to do is take this end and bring it where the center is. So this part, you're supposed to have a little bit of space here. It's not supposed to be aligned. So later, you're going to take this part, this end, and bring it to this side. Like that. Make sure you align the two lines. Now take this end and bring it here. Make sure they are aligned. So far, this is how it's supposed to look. Now you're going to take this and turn it over and fold. But you can use any paper. You can use a manila paper, you can use a printing paper, because this is quite hard to work with, but I like it because it gives you a very sturdy star. So this is what you're supposed to have. The triangles are supposed to be irregular, exactly the way it is. This is how your product should look. Now what you're going to do, you're going to cut this triangle, and if you want it to be steeper, you're going to cut inside a little bit. So this is your triangle. Now you unfold. So this is the way it looks. So what you're going to do, you're going to reinforce the folds. So look for the areas that are longer, and these are going to be the top part. So as you can see, this is inside, but now we're going to push it up and reinforce this fold. And then this is supposed to be down like this, and this is supposed to be up. So the longer parts should be on top. So reinforce this. This is down, and then you're going to reinforce this one. And then we reinforce this one also. So this is supposed to be down, and this is supposed to be up. So we reinforce it. So this is how your star should be. And then what you're going to do, we are going to create a lower part so that we can cover this part. And now apply glitter on top. Next thing you're going to do, you're going to take an extra cardstock paper and you're going to trace your star. So place it the way you want it to be, and then trace it lightly. So this is going to be the base. So when you're cutting, leave a small allowance of maybe less than a centimeter. I decided to cut a smaller base that would only cover the corners of my star, as opposed to having something that would come all the way up here, because I'm not planning to mache it. So I thought it would not give a very even look. So we're going to cut this even further and just have a little bit that will cover, that will glue the corners of the star. For the glitter, we're going to work with wood glue, this, and you're going to use a brush to apply glue on top so that the glitters get to stick well. I forgot to wash my brush from my last project, so the glue got stuck. Let me look for another brush. I seem to have misplaced my brush, so I guess I'll just have to use my fingers. Since this is wood glue, it's fine, and it will be easy to come off. So that's okay. Now we're going to take our glitter and you're going to apply generously. generously. Quite happy with the way the star is, the amount of glitter on top. Yes, so now if you want to place it on top of your Christmas tree, we can use either we can use either a straw, this normal straw, because I'm thinking this is what I will use. And now at the back, this is how the back looks. So you can just glue the straw like this, and this is how you're going to insert it on top of your Christmas tree. You can apply glitter also on this other part so that at least everything blends. Thank you so much guys for watching today's episode. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below, and if you did like the video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new, kindly subscribe to the channel by hitting the red button below. And thank you for everyone who has been subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot to me, and thank you for the support. So I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.